Welcome to week 6. A couple of things we need to go over. Number one, and probably the most important part, is follow the directions. The directions are the directions. Last week you got a template. People turning in the template. When it says right there, do not turn in the template. Everything is one paragraph. No SPSS boxes, nothing. It starts with whatever it is and it ends with whatever it is. End of discussion. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. If you do, I just send it back. I don't have time. I'm giving you what you need. I'm guiding you through this process so you have an understanding of what it is, what it does, and how to write it up. That's it. If you're adding stuff, I'm just sending it back. Drawing conclusions. You look at the actual, what you wrote up, and say, what is the conclusion? So let's say this. Let's say you're doing something where test scores with boys and girls, okay? And in this case, you're going to come up with this next week. But here's the example. The test scores were higher for girls than they were for boys. That's your conclusion. You look at it and say, the test scores for the boys were higher, for the girls were higher than the boys. It's simple, direct. It's not technical or anything else. Okay? So look at what you have and make a decision on what you believe the discussion, the actual conclusion is. Here's the other thing. If you do it early in the week, you're going to get it back and you're going to be able to make adjustments. A lot of you are not doing your work until Sunday. I don't know what to tell you. Okay? It's just the bottom line of you need to do this early in the week so you get your edits back and close the door on this chapter, making sure all of your the weekly reviews are done, because that's where I draw the final from. I make the final every year based on your notes that come in. Okay? So understanding that, these are the important parts of this class. You'll see that right here in the middle, it says week notes are due on Friday. Watch the videos, which are so important, okay? Start studying for the final. You've got weekly review number 6 and the one sample t-test. It says Sunday. But if you turn it in, like I'm doing this on Sunday, anything that's turned in today just gets graded. You have a 7-day window to take a 20%. I think it's 5 days with 20%. And after that, it's not accepted because you didn't do the work at the time. But you need this work, and you need to do this work whether you did it or not to be able to do the final, because the write-ups are on the final. If you've got everything set up and you got all your stuff, the final is a piece of cake. It's not going to be anything out of the scope. I'm not going to start talking about how to dissect a pig. It's going to be everything that we've done this semester. So know that right now. Okay, this week, again, one sample t-test. Here are the directions to one paragraph. Follow the directions. No title page. Your name is in the file name. All words, no Google Docs. Okay, this is an introduction. This is the write-up. The write-up is right there, guys. Right there. Model it. Here is your data. Not much data this week. It's very simple and very direct. One paragraph, file name in the file name. Get it in early, get it edited, and get it done with. All right? Have a wonderful week. And if you have any questions or issues, please give me a holler. You know the number.